Citizen Action Party on December 5th carried out a protest rally from Indira Bypass to the Gangtok District Administration Centre over the recent allegations of nepotism and favoritism in the recruitment examination for 39 posts of sub-inspector under Sikkim Police. The rally concluded with a sit-in dharna outside the Gangtok DAC premises, demanding the resignation of the Sikkim Public Service Commission Chairman and Secretary on moral grounds. CAP alleged that the Commission had failed to conduct fair examinations and had lost the trust of aspirants.
Till now, whichever examination for whatever post has been conducted by SPSC in recent years have been marked with controversies, a lot of controversies. We have seen it in previous examination which were conducted for the post of account officer, under secretaries and deputy superintendent of police, DSP rank. That time also news of paper leakage, controversy of paper leak were confirmed, and the exam was postponed. The last exam was supposed to be held in 2022, but the result of that same examination was taken out by the SPSC in 2024, just after the election. And immediately after that, after the results of combined AO, US and DSP were carried out by the SPSC, immediately after that, the notification for recruitment of Sub-Inspector Sikkim Police for 39 posts was also taken out by SPSC. But after the examination were conducted, when the result were announced on 26th November 2025, it was marked with lot of controversies, controversies like nepotism, favoritism, and only those candidates were, out of 39 candidates, majority of the candidates who were selected, they had a background from ruling party. Some of them, they were the open workers of ruling party. Some of them were working as social media handler of the ruling party. Some of the selected candidates, they were caretaker of chief minister private residence. Some candidates are PA to MLA. So all this selection has created lot of controversy. A lot of the aspirant of the SI examination, they approached us and they told us to raise the voice on behalf of them. And in Sikkim, as you all know, that whoever speaks against the government, whoever speaks for rights of their own, they are persecuted by the ruling party. Their silence says only one thing, that Sikkim is not under the democratic leadership of a leader which is supposed to be existed in a democratic state. But in Sikkim, in current government, democracy is not there. In broad daylight, democracy is getting murdered, and all these youths are also, even if they want to raise voice, even if they want to go to the courts, they are not, they are afraid of the persecution of the government. That's why we are here on behalf of them, and our dharna is not for any political mileage, because we are here to give justice to each and every one of the candidates who appeared for the exams. Under his supervision, under his leadership, a lot of examination conducted by SPSC were not fair, were not satisfactory to the aspirant. That's why, firstly, our demand is that SPSC chairman and SPSC secretary should resign on moral grounds, because the post of SPSC chairman is a constitutional post.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.